Welcome to Legitroom. Ever looked at the stock market and thought, that's for the pros, not me? We're here to change that perspective. Today, we're diving into how you can confidently start your journey in the stock market, not just to save, but to truly build wealth and accelerate your income. Think of your finances like a garden. You can plant seeds, water them, and watch them grow. The stock market is a powerful tool for that growth, and it's more accessible than you might imagine. It's about shifting your mindset from just earning an income to making your money work for you. Let's start with the foundation, budgeting. Before you even think about investing, understanding where your money goes is paramount. It's not about restriction, it's about clarity. When you know your income and your expenses, you can identify opportunities to save. Those savings are the seeds you'll plant. Now, about income acceleration. This isn't about a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart strategies. As you become more financially literate, you'll start seeing ways to increase your earning potential, whether through career advancement, side hustles, or even by optimizing your current spending to free up more capital for investment. The magic truly happens with compounding. Imagine earning interest not just on your initial investment, but on the interest you've already earned. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and getting bigger and faster. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work its wonders. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. So, how do you actually begin? It starts with education. Understand the basics. What are stocks? What are ETFs? What are mutual funds? There are fantastic resources available, and we'll guide you through them. Then, open a brokerage account. Many platforms today are incredibly user-friendly, designed for beginners. You don't need a fortune to start. Many allow you to invest with very small amounts. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and stay consistent. Don't be intimidated by market fluctuations. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This is about building a secure future, one smart decision at a time. This journey is about empowerment. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and creating opportunities for yourself and your loved ones. We're excited to be a part of your wealth-building shift. Thank you for joining us on Legitroom. If you found this helpful, consider following us for more insights on building a stronger financial future.